Hello YouTube, my name is Matthew Little, and the coronavirus has ruined my life. Yeah, it's a bit of a heavy subject, so my school has been closed, and I'm currently cleaning my house so I can actually get a new studio set up. My mom is working from home, so sorry about the background noise, and I'm about to help my dad clean up the basement before I go on with my other activities today. So, I'm just gonna give a miniature tour of the house.
Not my computer screen.
It's not your computer screen, Mom. This is sort of an improvisational video with some updates. Got this stuff I've been wanting to do for a while. So here's our basement. And this is where the main studio will be happening. It does not look like much right now. But this is sort of where the computer will be. We got these speakers and we have a CD player over there. We're going to have a music studio where I can record stuff. We're going to have a mic, which I don't have on right now. But yeah, and this is going to be part of it. It's all just sort of in disarray. Sorry about the mess, but we're trying to consolidate it. And I just think it's really going to be nice. We have some special lights, tons of tripods, tons of space. So we're just trying to get into shape. How are you, Father?
Oh, just going through our usual
Nightmare?
Yeah.
So that's just a little bit of an update. Coronavirus has pretty much shut down a lot of things, but we're doing fine to our minimal subscribers that are actually listening. And this is actually the first time I'm probably going to be posting with my new camera. Yay! And I have editing software, and we have literally everything to make my dream come true. It's just our house could use a couple weeks work, which is good because I have 4 weeks off of school. So, alright. See you later, guys. Bye.